Okay, gonna go ahead and make a trade recap video. I'm gonna go ahead and do it now because I'm gonna have to leave, and this is my last trade for the day. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It is what it is. So the last 2 days I have not traded. I believe FOMC was yesterday. No, it was the day before yesterday. I don't trade FOMC. And I'm a little skeptical, even like, a day or two after FOMC. But since I didn't trade yesterday, I thought I would try it today. Chose a kind of hard day to trade. If anything, yesterday was an easier day to trade. I don't trade the first hour. The best 10 EMA setup I could see was actually right here in the hour that I don't trade. Sometimes it works out, trading within the first hour, but these are my rules and I'm just kind of sticking to them. So it's 9:30. I'm looking for a place to go short. So right here, I wrote that I wanted to see a bear reset candle followed by a bull reset candle, which means a bear candle opening and closing above this light blue line you see here. That's to go long if I wanted to, but since we are below this 50 hourly 50 EMA, I can only look for shorts. But I was also a little skeptical today because we are so far from this line. I kind of felt like it could have been a bullish day, and right now it's just like Chop City. It looks like I'm probably going to get stopped out soon. So I was a little hesitant, but I was like, whatever, I'm just going to kind of stick to my rules. So this bear candle popped up, can't go long, so I didn't do that. Then this one came here. I did not place a order underneath it right away. I wanted to wait and see what was going on. And then when it came up here, this was like the perfect double bottom. I mean, you can't get that's just neckline, boom, right there. So when that double bottom popped up, I was like, man, I want to go long. I want to go long. So I was waiting for this candle to close above this 10 EMA because I would have been able to go long. And it was also right at the neckline of the double bottom. So I was like, even though I'm supposed to only look for shorts because we're under the pink line, this is just, I have to take this. But it did not, if you can see, let me just kind of zoom in real quick. It did not close above it. It was just close a little below it, which the way I was taught, some people trade this as a close enough candle, like close enough, let's just go long. And to be honest, that probably would have worked out better. Another bull reset candle popped in. So I was like, okay, well, maybe this double bottom is pretty much failing. And so I tried to put a order in below the low of this candle. I don't know. I forgot where I put my stop at. It did all of this. So I ended up canceling the order. This bear candle opening and closing above that 10 was so tempting. I literally put right here, I was like, I really wanted to take this. I mean, it's like, it just felt so perfect. Like, I wanted to do it, but I'm like, I can only look for shorts. So I'm just going to try to stick to that. I maybe should have abandoned that. Again, we're just so far away from the hourly 50 EMA. I should have kind of known better, but it's okay. I think I'm really just trying to get the discipline down of sticking to whatever I'm saying I'm sticking to. So didn't place any trade, just waited. I said, okay, if we get another bull reset candle for me to go short under, I'll take that. I started drawing this little channel here. I was like, yeah, we could end up like failing this channel. I can get in here, stop somewhere here, and kind of go down for a little bit. I wasn't trying to take a long trade, but I was trying to get one. So anyways, then this candle popped up, and I'm like, that's another great candle closing above that 10. I did not place this order, but I went ahead and used the risk reward tool just to see what I would have, like, if I was going to place an order, what it would have been. And I just left it up. And so, yeah, this would have been a solid trade. I have the circle here because that was like the target. Anyways, to me, out of everything that I spotted so far, that was the best trade. Didn't take it because again, I'm only looking for shorts. This kind of did all of this. I walked away, during a lot of this. This nice bull candle popped up and I was like, okay, well, I can go short below it. Today also, what I should have maybe, taken into consideration was I noticed the stops for this day had to be pretty big. And I don't really like having, stops on NQ that are, pretty much more than this, 77 right here. And I noticed that back here, like you have to kind of have some bigger stops. This was the only good one that is what I'm used to. So I did know that, but I don't know. This was about as large as I wanted to go. I wanted to see maybe if we could do it, but canceled this trade because we came up here. I got another bear reset candle. So I'm like, okay, that could end up, going long anyways. Canceled it, come down. As we start approaching this, I was like, maybe I shouldn't have canceled it. But I was like, well, maybe if we could just throw another bull reset candle to go short under. And so it did right here. Did an accidental trade. I did a limit on the first try instead of a stop limit. So I got filled right away, lost a little bit of money here, canceled it really quick, and then adjusted. And as you can see, I got whipped in and just totally got stopped out really fast. My rules are if I lose on the first trade I take, and if it's pretty quick, I can take a second trade. So I'm like, okay, I was feeling a little better though about going short at this point because we were getting bull reset candles right along this, the bottom of this channel. So I kind of liked that. So overall, I'm not like, I'm not, cause I was like, okay, so the bulls pushed up out of this channel once again, all throughout today. I said, well, maybe they'll do it the second time, during this period. Maybe we should fail it and go down. And the bears, I think, tried all their hardest, to do that, but just couldn't get it done. So yeah, this other little reset candle came in, got in under that, moved my stop to 0.7R, and that's where I got stopped out at. So yeah, let me see here. Let me zoom in actually. This is where I'm at for the account. I did good the last 2 days, like being patient and not trading. I should have just held on one more day. I mean, but I should have known this was still near FOMC, and this is also Friday of the first week, the first Friday of, August. So crazy day, but I'm not too mad at the opportunities I tried to take. Kind of wish I would have just, went for this, but because I would have been done for the day. But it is what it is. Hopefully next week I can get something back or I'll lose this eval. So for thinking about Monday, I think, and this is probably what it kind of dawned on me just now, what today is doing, it's probably sort of resting or just consolidating to let, some of the EMAs that I'm looking at kind of catch up. That's kind of what happens, kind of catch up. So maybe by the time Monday comes around, we'll be a little closer to this 50 EMA or, just somewhere dealing with this daily 100 SMA. And then the real big one that I really don't like to trade around, which is, where is it? I have it on here. I don't know why it disappears sometimes, but it is basically, let me see here, the daily 10 EMA. So we'll see where we're at come Monday. I'm going to do a lot of back trading probably this weekend to see, because I've never back traded and paid attention to what my strategy does around the daily 100 SMA. So hopefully we can, you know, best case to me is we can either like pause till Monday and still stay under these EMAs, and I can still maybe go short, or I don't know, just get above some of these EMAs, then I can start going long again. But I also think price may come down here to the 1826 here, touch this EMA, and before bouncing, there's also a really nice double bottom here in the daily. So we could come all the way down here, again, right in line with that EMA. We could bounce right there for the neckline of this double bottom. I don't know, we'll see. So I guess I'm still having kind of a bearish mindset. I would just like to stay a healthy distance from the 50 hourly 50 EMA so that I can be comfortable going short. Anyways, that's my trade recap. I will be back Monday to see, hopefully next week should be a little better. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, if you watched this video, thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.